Namaste, my dear children. We have a wonderful news for the students of not only India but all over the world. In Guinness World Record attempt title this year in ISF 2020, we are not only breaking a record of having only the school students or the students of India but all over the world. It is really a proud moment for the organizers of IASF 2020 that this year, because of pandemic, not only the students of India participating nationwide for this special activity, rather a lecture which is going to happen on 25th December, but also the children of 11 more countries, be it the countries from GCC countries, or be it Canada, be it USA, be it Pakistan, be it Nepal, be it Thailand, or be it Indonesia. We are having students who have registered from all over the world for the title attempt which we are making for most viewers of a nutrition lesson live stream on a bespoke platform on 25th December. I'm very happy to have my colleague, Dr. Prashant Kulkarni from IIT Indore, who is coordinating this mega event for making a record attempt in Guinness World Record. So may I take this opportunity to ask Dr. Prashant how has he planned to conduct this activity for the children of the world, for the world. Over to Prashant ji.
Namaste. Thank you very much, madam, for having in this discussion. This year, 2020, has been a lot of learning for all of us. The ongoing COVID-19 pandemic has made all of us more cautious about our health and about humanity. The food we ate, our food habits, are very closely related to our health and immunity. Balanced nutrition is very essential for healthy body as well as healthy mind. This is the food which is going to make us immunity against the viruses, pathogens, bacteria, including COVID-19. And therefore, we thought that we should have an attempt where there are going to be some lecture, lesson, a talk by eminent scientists from United States of America. There are two renowned scientists who are working into the area of nutrition. One is Dr. Srinivasa Rao from New York, USA, and another is Dr. Bharti Kocher from Harvard Medical School. These two speakers are going to give a talk on nutrition. This talk is going to be there on December 25th. And they're going to cover different aspects of nutrition in their talk. And as you rightly said, that we are just not going to listen to the talk, but we are also going to attempt Guinness World Record activity. So by having students across the globe, making it India International Science Festival truly international. And these students are going to get enlightened. They're going to get knowledge about the nutrition in this particular event, which is proposed on 25th December.
That's excellent, sir. And I'm just thinking of why did we get the opportunity to be part of such mega event? ISF 2020 is not going in for one Guinness record, but this time they're going in for five Guinness record for our activity base, especially for children, and one is especially based on the entire event. So, will you highlight something all about IASF festival as a whole going in for Guinness World Record too?
Thank you, ma'am. So there are four activities where the students are participating. These students are going to get a certificate with a logo of Guinness World Record. Apart from this particular activity where there are four attempts which we are trying, there is 40 parallel sessions which are going on in IISF. They are into diverse different areas. The eminent scientists and people and technocrats and eminent personalities and resource person who are going to speak. There are panel discussions, there are quiz, there are poster competitions. Thousands of other participants are also going to get participated into this 40 other events. And this is going to be one of its own kind virtual science festival where these people are going and attempting. So because these thousands of people are going to join in a virtual science festival, we thought of trying and making an attempt and creating a record of that also. And the fifth attempt is about the ISF being one of its own kind virtual science festival. So that will be there as a fifth attempt activity.
Excellent, sir. It's going to be a largest attendance for a virtual science conference in 1 week, starting from 28th of December to 25th. I just put up this question to you because I just wanted to tell our children that there are students who have registered to be part of the attempt and knowing that they are part of a Guinness World Record attempt. They all know that they will be getting a certificate first time ever from Guinness People Office in London. They're going to have a certificate which is going to have a logo of being a Guinness World Record holder. So, my dear children, what an opportunity for all of you to be part of it. Spoke about ISF 2020 just to let you know that the second and the last event which we are going to have is for your parents, elder brothers, sisters, and all those who have not registered for any of our Guinness World Record attempts to still join in and be audience, be part and parcel of ISF 2020 on this virtual platform. Maybe we are the lucky ones in 2020 by getting this opportunity to join a virtual platform. Normally, this India International Science Festival is held in a particular state, and there the opportunity is given to the state people more than the outsiders. Though when it is held in physical platform, that time also we get people from all over the country and all over the world to attend this program, which is known as a science festival for science enthusiasts. So it is wonderful. And now I would like to put up a question to Dr. Prashant that in other activities, as I have heard, the children will have to download an app and then join in for the sessions. But in case of this activity, which is known as a lecture on a bespoke platform, kindly just highlight the entire process of how our children can join in this activity. Over to Prashant.
Thank you, ma'am. Uh, Students have already registered for this event. And as you rightly said, there are students from across the globe from more than 10 different countries. And all these students, they have received the credentials to log in. They have a username and a password. All these students need to go and use any browser, whether they are using a cell phone or a laptop or a desktop. They will use any browser and visit our website www.vvm.org.in. There is a login option for them. With the credentials, they log in into this particular website, and after logging in, they are able to join the talk which is going to happen. It's going to be 1.5 hour talk. Initially, there is an interesting Jeopardy game for the kids for around 15-20 minutes, followed by introduction of the speaker and 45 minutes of lecture. All these students need to log in and be there till the end of the event. They cannot log off. If they want that particular very precious and memorable certificate with them, they have to join the program while logging in onto the website vvm.org.in.
Excellent, sir. So in this, they would be not be having much problem of downloading an app. And sir has very rightly said that your participation to the entire lecture will only let you have the certificate for being being a part of this attempt. So, my dear children, if you have registered, and in fact, if I share the numbers, that's pretty high, the highest in all the other out of the other activities, that's more than 17,000. So almost 17,000 students. You should know that the last record of the largest lecture was of not even 1,500 students. So to create another record, we are asking or requesting you all to be present on the day, be part of the activity, listen to this world famous person who is really renowned. And this is a once in a lifetime opportunity to be able to hear someone. People had to visit, meet, take you can say appointment to be in touch with such renowned scientists or speakers. You are lucky ones. Be part of it through the manner in which you have registered. I would just put in one question to Dr. Prashant, that these children are joining. I would talk about all the rest of students for joining in Guinness World Record. They are supposed to get a certificate, as you rightly said. But along with the certificates, are they getting anything else in IASF 2020? May I just get
Absolutely.
to know what exactly the other gift for the children who are participating in Guinness World Record attempt?
Absolutely, madam. These students are going to get something, a very special surprise. All these students are going to get a e-kit. When I say all these students, I mean to say all those successful participants. There are 4 different activities, and those students who are going to keep the camera on and their video is properly captured on time, those students are going to qualify, and those qualifying students are going to get that e-certificate. In addition to that, they are also going to get an e-kit, and that e-kit consists of an e-book. This is a wonderful book with for which we have made a special edition. The special edition is made for only IISF event. This particular book is entitled as Scientist Greater Than Einstein. So there is information about there are other famous scientists across the globe, the 10 of them, and the life stories of these people are there. And because this year's IISF is hosted by CSIR, CSIR gives an award called as Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Award. So information about the award winners in the area of biological sciences and medicine is also there in that book. So it's going to be a memorable gift for all the students who are going to be part of IISF, especially the Guinness World Record attempt activities. So I'm sure these
Excellent.
students are going to love this ebook, and they're going to read and get motivated and inspired. And they will probably make these scientists as their ideals and idols. And they will become the role model for them for their career in future.
Excellent, sir. Excellent. This would be real gift which they can keep it as long as they want. Our Vidyarthi Vigyan month and platform also encourages children to read the biography of eminent scientists, and this book is going to definitely help them in near future also. So I would like to thank you, Dr. Prashant, for highlighting all about the events coming up in Guinness World Record title attempt, that is the lecture series as well as IASF 2020. So with this, we would say goodbye to children with a small message that make sure all of you join this lecture series, and joining is very easy. Kindly check our website www.vvm.org.in, and you will be able to join in on the day. The date is 25th December, and the time is from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. We have given extra time because we know more than 17,000 students will be joining in, and to join in, we would to join and make sure that all have joined in, we are going to keep some kind of an activity to boost the spirit of the students. And to have these activities, this quiz will be conducted. Now, in this quiz, it will be a limited number of children who will be given opportunity to participate, but the rest can enjoy and even join by giving their own answers so that you have that enthusiasm of being part of the quiz too. So with this, I would like to thank Dr. Prashant Kudkarezi that
Thank you.
let us now think, let us plan, let us go forward and make sure that all the students who have registered are part and parcel of getting the appreciation certificate from not only IISF but from Guinness World Record. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.